Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome to this new video and daily update on Agix and Singularitynet. We're going to be taking a look at it right now. I'll give you a brief summary of the interest rate yesterday, but it hasn't had that much effect, I think, on Agix. Agix actually was, well, it had some effect, but not too much, but we'll talk about that. And finally, we can actually make a nice analysis on it again, I think, because the last 2 days we were very reliant on the interest rate. I think this video finally has some real value again. Obviously, the other videos had value as well, I think. Otherwise, I wouldn't have posted them. But this is, I'm a little bit more happy and satisfied with my analysis on this one. So, before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, including on Agix, then check out the links in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join and trade results, basically everything you need to know if you want to join that. So check that out at the end of this video. But now let's talk about Agix. So the first thing, yesterday the interest rate was initially received quite bearish, but it seems like we're already bouncing back right now. Volume for Singularitynet is amazing, and technically what I think is interesting is that right now we're not in a clear up or downtrend. I would say we're more in an uptrend than a downtrend, but we're not that much in an uptrend. You can see that we're more so, and it's perhaps weird to say this, but it almost feels like we're in some sort of a consolidating mood. In the end, I would lean towards the bullish side because of what Bitcoin is doing, but also because of the strength that this level right here around 46, 45 is displaying. You can see that the support gives us way more support than the resistance. When we hit resistance levels, we test it like 2-3 more times. And what you can see, for example, with the support around the 100 EMA is that we found support there twice and then went up and basically never revisited it again. But as I said, we have to, my bias on the market really is that we're in a very slow uptrend, if not a mild consolidation. So, but because we are in an uptrend, yesterday we hit this level above around 52 cents, which houses the 0.5 FIB. It's just a respected resistance level as well. But I don't think with the momentum we have right now, and that does depend on Bitcoin. I mean, the market after the interest rate is still very volatile. So if Bitcoin all of a sudden drops down to 26,000, Agix is going to follow that. All right. We still have a lot of major support at 43, 45. So don't worry too much, but Agix will follow that. But for now, I think the most likely scenario is that we might find resistance at 52 cents once more. I think we will, but that eventually we will get up back to that level around 55 and 56 cents. And there we will get the real test of whether this is more of an uptrend or a consolidation. In an uptrend, we would find resistance, but we would hold this level around 51, 52 cents, stay up here, and then at some point break above that. In a consolidation, we would find resistance there at 55, 56 and drop down all the way back down to 46 and 45. And right now, it's just too early to talk about what's going to happen and what's most likely. It depends a lot on what the market does. It depends a lot on what will happen with the price action before hitting that level. If, for example, we find a lot of resistance like this, well, yeah, then we're going to drop down to 45 cents again. but also just in general, something like this, like the touch we had Friday the 17th, was not a very strong resistance touch. We found support at the immediate key level under us straight away. Like I just said, if we can hold 51, 52, it's great. And then we actually managed to get higher before we would drop down by the market. But yeah, initially I think we will get up to 52 cents, find some resistance, but eventually break above that, get up towards 55, 56 cents. But I'll be back with more updates very soon, of course, as always. So for today, this is my take on Agix. Take care, thank you for watching, and bye.